Hey, welcome back, everyone. We are in your entrance slips here. As you can see there, Module 4, Topic F. We're in lesson number 20 today. So let's get ourselves down there. And here we go. So in lesson 20, and you probably saw this coming, 19 was all about adding and subtracting with our expressions. So 20, we welcome aboard multiplication and division. So here we go. Anna's charging $8.50 per hour to babysit. Complete the table. So okay, 1 hour and she gets $8.50 an hour. All right, that's pretty straightforward. She's walking out with $8.50. 2 hours. Okay, so an 850. And if I add on another 850, all right, we can do an addition problem that's there. We're gonna get ourselves 17. Now, if you reach for the calculator, okay, but a little mental math, the 8s make 16, 50 cents and 50 cents, make $1. All right, there's your 17. Um, okay, but now 5, because now we're talking like 850, 850, 850, 850, 850. No thank you here. So the idea here is repeat addition is the same thing as that's right, multiplication. So we're just going to multiply away here. Reach for our good friend the calculator here. Go ahead and slam that on in. And it tells us 42.5. Now, remember, we are talking money here. So one, I should have dollar signs. All right. And that we're not going to say $42.5. Remember, that is $42.50. We're talking money. I need two placeholders there. So, okay, $8.50 then times the 8 hours. Again, because it's repeat, 850, 850, 850, 850. No thank you to the addition. Thank goodness for multiplication. All right, so if we go ahead and we multiply that away, and you could do a little mental math there. 8 times 8 is 64. Take half of 8 is 4, so you get a crisp, clean 68. Yeah, yeah. So again, or just reach your calculator and type it in. No worries either way. Just trying to make those elementary school teachers proud there, all right? And then, okay, well, what if it's H? So the whole idea is what have you been doing each time? I know at the beginning I started with the repeat addition, but when the numbers got big, I went to multiplication. So yeah, we're multiplying every single time. We're going to take the $8.50 and we're going to multiply it by the HG time. So again, multiply number times a letter. Hey, that's why I put that number first. All right, so write an expression describing your earnings for working H hours. Well, you just did it. That's an expression. So they really after here is, do we understand that vocabulary when we see the word expression? And remember, an expression means you got a number, a letter, and an operation. So here's my number from before. Oh, that's a bad 5. We can do better than that. All right. Here's my letter. And then my operations there, remember, a number up against a letter does mean to multiply. So how much will she work? She works 3.5 hours. Okay, what we realize is it's a multiplication problem each time. So we're going to take that $8.50 and we're going to multiply it by 3.5. Now, because we're reaching for a calculator here, we want all in decimals to clean things up. So we talk about half of something, like half a dollar, we're talking 50 cents. So when I actually punch that in, I'm going to punch in the 3.5 that's there. So 8.5 times 3.5 gives us 29.75. There we go, $29.75. All right. And then the last one wants to know about is, well, what if, how long? She gets $51. How long did she work? So we can do a little guess and check here, a little estimation. One, I can use my table first, and I can see that 5 hours gets me to 42.50. 8 hours gets me all the way up to 68. So yeah, we could take that 850 and we could try out by multiplying it by a 6. Okay, if we go ahead and type it in, let's see what happens here. And oh, we get exactly 51. All right, so there's our answer there. We got it right away there. So was it a guess at the beginning? Well, kind of sort. I used my table. All right. We're kind of assuming it's whole hours here. Like that's the part. I mean, we might have to try like some half hours that are there. But yeah, no, that's after. Use the table. Use estimation. Like just look at the 8 up front. 8 times 6 is 48. That's kind of close to 51. So that makes us feel good about a good spot to start at. So, all right, people, that's it. Enjoy.